Yeehaw! This is Howie J from Mass Communication. Here I'm again with another video. In this video I'm going to show you how you can set up your iPhone 14, 14 Plus, Pro Max for the first time. Not only that, how you can make an Apple account. Here we go. First thing first, you have to inject the SIM in this case. Yeah, in Europe we have SIM. If you don't have the SIM, don't worry. If you have virtual SIM, later you can add in this case. Okay, or if you don't have SIM, even if still you can activate, if I'm not wrong. Here the power button in iPhone 14 as all the previous version of iPhone. Hold this one for a few seconds and leave it. Wait for the Apple logo. Here we go. And the SIM is inside. You see 4G if you have a physical SIM. Doesn't matter if you don't have a SIM inside. You hit the language you want. I put English. Put the region where you are. I'm in Spain, you can see here. I hit Spain. Setting language. Waiting for that. Everything is fine. Quick start. Setup manually. I'm gonna show you how you can do setup manually. I hit setup manually. Preferred language English. Keyboard UK, Spanish and other available. In this case I hit continue button. I have to connect with my Wi-Fi here. Hit your Wi-Fi, put the password, connect with the Wi-Fi. Here you see if you don't want to connect with the Wi-Fi, if you have SIM inside, you can hit continue without Wi-Fi. In case if you don't have SIM, you have to connect with Wi-Fi. Continue without Wi-Fi. It may take few minutes to activate my phone. The information you can see on the screen is done very fast. The phone is activated. I hit continue button. Face ID, if you want to set up, you can do that. If you don't want, you can do later. I hit set up later. In this case you have to put a passcode. Put passcode as you like. Is done. The first one, restore from iCloud background, restore from Mac or PC, transfer direct from iPhone, move data from another, don't transfer app and data. I don't want to transfer anything in this. I hit don't transfer apps and data, this option. Now here we go. Sign in with your Apple ID using iCloud, the Apple Store or other app services. Forget password if you have already Apple ID. I want to show you guys how you can make a new Apple ID. Here you see forget password or don't have an Apple ID. Hit this option. Now forget password or Apple ID, create a free Apple ID, set up later in setting. You can see here the option free Apple ID, create one. Hit this one. Good. Now you have to put your first name and last name. They will ask you to have this email address. You see they will give you this Apple ID. Here you see harry.jeffrey@icloud.com. I'm fine with this Apple ID, so I hit continue button here. Create email address. So they will create one email address for you the same time. If you want, you can use your old email address from Google, from Live, any other place if you want. I hit create email address. I hit continue button. You have to put a password in this case. It's done. I have created one new password. I hit continue button. So the password is created, phone number here. So they will gonna use my phone number for other purpose. I hit continue in this case. Term and condition from Apple. I hit agree. Keep your iPhone up to date. Hit continue. I hit enable location services. Apple Pay, if you want to connect with that, add your MasterCard, Visa card, whatever, or you can do that later. Set up later. Wallet. iCloud, don't use iChain Cloud. Set up later. Screen time, you can do that later. Don't share anything. You have two types of light version and dark. I leave light version of display. Here more display, zoom or standard. I leave standard. I hit continue. Welcome to the iPhone. Beautiful. Swipe up to get started. Here we go. Beautiful looking iPhone 14. The setup is done. All is here. Wow, beautiful. Okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. As always, for more information, go to the Ask Communication, www.askcommunication.com. Have a lovely evening. Take care. Till then, bye.